Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to add voiceovers to your designs. It's easier than you might think, so let's jump right in. First, let me direct you to the Edit toolbar on the left side. You'll want to select the Uploads option here. Perfect! Now you'll see the option to record yourself. Go ahead and click that button. When you're ready to begin, just hit the Record button and start speaking your voiceover. After you've finished recording your audio, click Done to move forward. Not happy with your take? No problem. You can click Delete and record it again as many times as you need. Once you're satisfied with your recording, click Save and Exit to apply it to your project. Here's a helpful alternative. If you already have an audio file on your device, you can upload it directly instead of recording live. Finally, click the Share button to save your work. Your voiceover is now part of your project, ready to bring your content to life. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add professional voiceovers to any design. Feel free to run through this again anytime.